Hello, I'm Dr. Michelle Newcomb and I am the Lecturer and Unit Coordinator for SWB306 People, Community and Disability. This is a really important unit because it's the only one in the Human Services and Bachelor of Social Work program that focuses specifically on disability. And in every area of social work and human service practice, you will encounter people with disability. But there's much to be learnt, not just about different types of disabilities, but how we need to respond to people living with disability. So what I wanted to do in this video is just talk quickly about two things. One is how to find things on the Blackboard site so that you can reach your learning outcomes in the unit. And two is some details about how to contact me and the rest of the teaching staff. I should also say that everybody who teaches into these classes has the appropriate qualifications in human services and social work, and has experience of working with people who have disabilities. So just looking here on Blackboard, you've obviously found Blackboard, which is great. On the left-hand column here, you can see quite a few tabs here, and they will have all the information that you need about the class. So unit details, assessment, etc. You can also find your grades, all of those kinds of things. So what is probably important for you to see on this, though, is a little tab here called Frequently Asked Questions. And if you come onto Frequently Asked Questions, it will take you to a discussion board, and you can ask lots of questions about the unit in the discussion board here. You'll find sometimes that I may respond or answer some of your questions via that discussion board. So please feel free to put that information there. A lot of people will be contacting us about specific parts of the unit via email or in class. So sometimes we'll answer your questions through the use of the discussion board here, because you can imagine we often get a lot of questions about the same kinds of things here. So this is just an easier way for us to answer those questions. I am available for a face-to-face consultation with you at any stage, so please feel free to get in touch and come see me that way. Okay, if you've got any questions, I'm sure I'll hear about them in class, and I look forward to teaching you. Thank you.